Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on aligana.com. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about using aligana.com, from getting started to tracking your orders and paying for your freight. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Aligana.com is an online platform that provides procurement, forwarding, and dropshipping services, allowing you to easily purchase products from Chinese domestic websites like 1688.com, Taobao.com, and Tmall.com. With Aligana, you can shop from these websites without needing a Chinese bank account or shipping address. What's more, Aligana offers a unique dropshipping service that allows you to connect your Shopify and WooCommerce stores directly to aligana.com. This means you can post products directly from Chinese domestic websites like 1688.com and Taobao.com to your own online store. Plus, you can sync orders from your websites to aligana.com and have Aligana complete the fulfillment process. The best part? There's no monthly fee for this service. To get started with Aligana, you'll need to create a free membership account. Simply visit aligana.com and click on the Register button. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, retrieve the verification code sent to your email, enter the CAPTCHA code, read and agree to the user agreement, and click on the Join Us button to complete your registration. Once you've set up your account, you can start finding products on Aligana. You can use keywords or phrases in the search bar or paste the product URL from 1688.com, Taobao.com, or Tmall.com. Aligana provides English translations of product descriptions and reviews, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. After finding the products you want, you can add them to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select your shipping address, review your order summary, select your payment method, and click on the Pay button to complete your order. Aligana offers two methods of making payments: recharging your virtual wallet or making a direct payment. You can choose the method that best suits your needs. After placing your order, you can track its status on aligana.com. You can check whether your order is unpaid, paid, being purchased, or has been shipped from the seller or arrived at Aligana's warehouse. When your parcels arrive at the Aligana China warehouse, you can request Aligana to pack your selected parcels and consolidate them for forwarding to your destination address. Simply select the products you want to ship, confirm your shipment, and wait for Aligana to provide you with a freight quote. Once you've confirmed and submitted your shipping order, the next step is to pay for your freight. Select the package due for payment, select your preferred payment method, and complete your payment. After a successful payment, you can sit back and wait for Aligana to ship out your order and update your tracking number and other relevant details. That's it. You've now learned how to use aligana.com from start to finish. From creating an account, finding products, placing an order, making payments, tracking your order status, shipping parcels, to paying your freight, you're now equipped with all the knowledge you need to make your shopping experience on Aligana.com smooth and hassle-free. Don't forget, Aligana also offers a unique dropshipping service that allows you to connect your Shopify and WooCommerce stores directly to aligana.com. This means you can post products directly from Chinese domestic websites like 1688.com and Taobao.com to your own online store. Plus, you can sync orders from your websites to aligana.com and have Aligana complete the fulfillment process. The best part? There's no monthly fee for this service. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact Aligana Customer Support for assistance. Happy shopping and shipping!